we're going to calculate the duration of an annual coupon bond that has face value of $100, coupon rate equal to 5%, yield to maturity also 5%, and number of years to maturity of 5, or this bond matures in 5 years. Now, I've made this easy for us. I've set our coupon rate equal to yield to maturity. That's going to allow us to quickly find the present value or price of this bond, because price is going to equal face value in this example. An investor that holds this bond is going to receive payments every year for 5 years. So these here are our years, and we can write down the value that each year, or the payment that the investor receives every year. First year, the investor receives $5, or 5% of face value as a coupon payment, and the investor receives $5 every year until the final year. And in the final year, the investor receives the last coupon payment of $5 and then also the face value. So the investor receives in the final year a payment of $105. Our next step is to calculate the present value of each payment. And in the first year, $5 received 1 year in the future is equal to 5 divided by 1 plus the yield to maturity. Second year, 5 divided by 1 plus yield to the maturity squared. In the final year, the investor receives $105, and that's discounted by 1 plus the yield to maturity raised to the 5. We're going to fill in values for each of these. If we sum up all of these numbers here that I've just entered, we should get to the present value, or 100. Our next step is to calculate the share of each year's payment of the total present value. And our present value in this case, I've made it easy, is 100. So these are our shares. These are the weights that we are going to use to calculate the weighted average of the years that payments arrive. So our next step is to multiply each share by the year that the payment arrives. Our final step is to just sum all of these numbers up. That will give us our weighted average of the years that payments arrive, or our duration. This bond has a duration of 4.546 years.